Hey Amber, thanks so much for tuning in. And you can do like repeating it and dab it more than just one time. The darker you want, the more like tabs you're gonna go with. It's not necessary to do so many, but if you want like a lighter look, you can't. If you want to create more veins, you can go back 3 or 4 times. But as I said, if you want a bit lighter, you can do it lighter. And then only I need is crystal clear. I'm gonna need the piece of papers. So then I can just tap on that piece of papers when I need to remove the residue from my brush, so that it won't contaminating back to my bottles of clear. I'm going to create some veins right here. All you need to do just a little bit on your brush. You don't need a whole lot. A little go a long way. And just dab it on. Wipe the brush off. I just want to keep some white on it, so and keep in mind, if you do the clients like 10 nails, like every single nail is not going to be identical, so just make sure you advise your clients this is so stunning, and they can have like pretty much like in the same theme of marble look, but it's not like exact the same every single nail. That's make it special about this. Great. I think I'm okay with this. If you want to do more, you can always like draw more veins on it. With this one, it's really cool. You have so many different ways to do this. You can do this with using the veins with your, like we have it like a black one before we did, and then we using a gold on it. But because this time we are doing a theme of fun 4th of July, so I'm gonna using is magenta blue to draw the veins for this one. Open this. And also we're gonna do that and silver as well. And we're gonna using a silver, shimmering silver as well. However, you can see a different videos on our IGTV with different theme. That's good. Wow, that is really pigmented. Alright, so I'm gonna using the other end of my twin tip brush. You can see that is really pigmented. I'm just using just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. Just little, go a long way. This looks like a black. But the other day, so Sarah doing it her yesterday. It looks so stunning as well. So with this, you can loosen your hands a little bit. You don't have to give a lot of like really heavy handed or pressures. You just want to make it look really like soft look and not naturals. Oh, a little bit too much. Alright, so I am going to give it a quick gear, flash gear for 30 seconds. If you want to make this color to be less really deep blue, you can actually dilute it with your a little bit mixed with the white gel, with the white pure white gel painting, or you can mix it with your what's my bottles somewhere. Oh, you can using just one drop of this, one touch of it, to dilute the blue to be a little bit lighter. So to me, I think it's really good because I want it darker anyway for my veins. Oops, sorry, all my beads over there. So here my shimmering silver.
Hey guys, so that the red fusioning is Bordeaux.
The Bordeaux color. I love a lot of color from fusioning because it's freaking super easy. If even you are never done your fusioning, or you can easily to achieve it. So I'm gonna cure this one for 30 seconds again to just set it first, so then you won't have an issue with smear. And I'm gonna wipe my brush off with all the residues so they won't not Alright, so we're gonna clean the brush. This is how I drop one drop of the no wipe top coat or gel, base gel or top gel. So then you can just like dissolving all of residue. You can see a little bit shimmerings right there. So then that way it's help to remove a lot of gels off from your brush, and wipe it up with paper towels, or using a no lens free wipe, so then it won't have all the fur stuck in your bristle. So this is cool. And then if you are like done and clients don't want anything else, you can just top coat it with no wipe top coat gels and cure it, and you should be done. Also, you can also do some crystal placement on this, which is I am gonna share with you. So I'm always doing options of it. If you want crystal placement on, or if you don't want it, that is totally fine. You can just top coat and call it good. Maybe let's see what I can do with do you want to see some crystals, or you want to do see some like red and white star, or red and blue, I mean blue and white star, can be that too. Or we can put some crystal placement, just simple crystal placement. So I am going to do really good generous coat of condensed glue gels, and you will using the no wipe top coat floating on the top of uncured condensed glue gels. It's the second step. We're going to do the third step on all of the nails after I finish with the fourth nails. Floating on the top. Let's see what I have in here. I'm doing some little investigating here with oh, I have this from 4th of July mix back. Oh, I thought It's my, sorry. I thought I have my blue, red and blue somewhere. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Awesome. Thank you. And the red too? Thank you. Just a little bit along with your veins. You don't have to do a lot, just a little bit. However, again, if the clients don't want it, just top coat it and you are good to go. I just want just a little bit, don't want too much. And just a little bit of the silver bead. I love the silver bead. It's going really cool. Perfect size for, like, you know, working with any sizes of crystals. It's kind of a complements it. And after you place them, so here is a tip and trick. You will never go wrong with this, I promise. Place the crystal tight together, closer is better. So it's kind of like create a whole chains for your crystal placements, and it will never gonna break or falling off. So you can place them close together, and with the precision glue too, is will hold your crystal really, really tight together. And condensed glue gels in wet top coat, it will grab the base of the crystals, kind of like suck it in place, so they will not gonna come out easy. All right, I think I'm good. So we're gonna cure this, guys, for 60 seconds, and we will do the precision glue right after we finish the fourth nails. All right.